Hello everyone, I'm Francisco Verga from BSCS2B. So in this video, I'm going to explain my Python program and show how my Python program works. So I created a Python program to implement a stack abstract data structure using an array. Stack abstract data structure is a data structure that operates on the principle of last in, first out, or LIFO. Example of this is stack of plates. You can only add or remove plates from the top. So this means the last plate you add is the first one you will remove. Stack are considered linear data structures because they maintain a sequential order of elements. They are often implemented using either an array or a linked list. But I use array because it is an implementation that is assigned for me to design my Python program. The stack is a fundamental data structure with a wide range of application in computer science. Its LIFO behavior makes it well suited for managing function calls, evaluating expressions, parsing syntax, and implementing undo or redo functionality. So I will show you and explain my code. For class stack, def initialize selfless stack. It defines a class name stack that represents a stack data structure. The init method initializes a new stack object with an empty list called selfless stack. Inline def push self item. The push method adds an item to the top of the stack by appending it to the selfless stack list. So inline def pop self. The pop method removes and returns the top item from the stack if the stack is not empty. If the stack is empty, it returns none. For line def is empty self. The isEmpty method checks if the stack is empty by returning true if the length of self stack is 0, indicating an empty stack. For line def get height self, the get height method calculates and returns the total heights of the stack, which is the sum of all elements in the stack. For line def equals stack heights, stack 1, stack 2, and stack 3, the equal stack heights functions takes 3 stack objects as input and compares their heights to find the maximum equal heights. It iteratively pops elements from each stack until the heights are equal or one of the stack becomes empty. So this section of code initializes 3 stack objects, stack 1, stack 2, stack 3, and populates them with the elements entered by user through prompts. So the rest of the code interacts with the user to input stack elements, calculate stack heights, compare stack heights, and prints the result based on the comparison. So if the 3 stack have equal height, it will print all stack are equal at height, and then yung height na pare-pare silang sum. If it's not, it will print stack heights will never be equal. So I will show you how my Python program works. So let's start. So first we're gonna enter an element for each stack. Let's say the element for stack 1 are 1, 1, 1, 2, and 3. So don't forget the space when you're entering a element in stack. So the element in stack 2 are 2, 3, 4. In stack 3 we have 1, 4, 1, and 1. So to know the heights of every stack and the equal heights of 3 stack, just press the enter case. So it shows the heights of every stack. The heights is the sum of element you enter in the stack. So in stack 1, the total heights is 8 because if you add the elements of stack 1, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 8. In stack 2, if you add the element 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. Therefore, the total heights of stack 2 is 9. So same in stack 3, it will add the element 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 7. The total height of stack 3 is 7. So all stack are equal at height 5. So it means the 3 stack have the same height if you add the element of every stack. It will show below the element that has sum of 5. So since stack is a LIFO principle, it will remove the last element that you enter. So, kapag na-add na yung bawat element ng stack at na-reach na yung sum, which is 5, yung natirang element will be removed using the pop operation. So, kung makikita nyo sa stack 1, yung kailangan lang na element para masum na 5 is 2, 1, 1, 1. So, naalis yung 3 because 3 is nasa top. So, in stack 2, ang kailangan lang para mag-sum ng 5 is 2 and 3. So, naalis yung 4. Sa stack 3, ang kailangan lang para mag-sum ng 5 is 1 and 4. So, yung dalawang 1 sa left side is naalis kasi sila ay nasa top. So, we have choices here, the y and n. So, if you choose y, it will continue the program. So, let's try another element. So, let's say the stack 1 are 3, 2, 1, 4, and 3. Stack 2 are 2, 1, 1, 4, and 2. Stack 3 are 1, 3, 2, 1, and 1. So, the total heights of stack 1 is 13. Stack 2 is 10. Stack 3 is 8. But stack heights will never be equal. So, it means all of elements of 3 stacks have not the same sum if you add it. So, di tulad sa example number 1 na may parehong sum na 5. So, dito sa example 2, kahit na naubos ang element sa pag-add, wala pa rin silang parehas na sum o equal heights. So, let's try again another example. So, element for stack 1 are 1, 4, 2, 2, and 3. For stack 2 are 2, 1, 3, 1, and 4. For stack 3, 5, 2, 1, and 1. So, the total heights of stack is 12. Stack 1 is 12. Stack 2 is 11. Stack 3 is 9. So, and they have the same or equal height, and that is 7. So, all of elements of every stack have a possible sum 7. So, in stack 1, have 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals 7. Stack 2 have 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7. So, in stack 3, have 5 plus 2, and that's equal to 7. So, pinunit niya sa baba yung mga element ng bawat stack na may sum na 7. So, let's try another example. So, let's say in stack 1, we have element 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1. In stack 2, we have element 5, 6, 1, 3. So, in stack 3, we have element 3, 3, 2, and 1. So, the total heights of stack 1 is 11, stack 2 is 15, stack 3 is 9. So, but they have not equal heights. These given elements don't have possible equal heights or sum. So, try natin i-add muna yung dalawang element ng bawat stack. So, sa stack 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. Stack 2, 5 plus 6 equals 11. So, in stack 3, 3 plus 3 is 9. So, hindi pa rin sila pare-parehas na sum. So, try natin i-add naman yung isang element. 4 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 7. 5 plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 12. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 8. So, hindi pa rin sila pare-parehas na sum. So, try na natin i-sama yung last na element na nilagay natin. So, 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 11. So, 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3 is 15. So, stack 3, 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9. So, dahil dyan, stack heights will never be equal. So, for last example, stack 1 elements are 1, 5, 2, 4, and 3. In stack 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1. In stack 3, we have 5, 1, 2, and 3. So the total heights of stack 1 is 15, and stack 2 is 9, and stack 3 is 11. So they have equal at height 8. All elements we enter have the same sum, which is 8. So in stack 1, dito sa baba, nilagay niya yung mga element na nagsum ng 8. So makikita nyo sa stack 1, yung pinrint lang niya is 2, 5, and 1. So naalis yung 4 and 3. Sa stack 2 naman, yung 2, 2, 2, and 2. So naalis yung 1 kasi siya yung nasa top. In stack 3, para magsum ng 8, yung nilagay lang na element is 2, 1, and 5. So naalis yung 3. So if dito sa choices na kapag nilagay yung n, so if we choose n, that will be the end of our program. Thank you.